Take a ride in the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, bed liner, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, center console, compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.